10 health benefits of drinking garlic water, and how to prepare it. Garlic water is a popular detox drink that has many health benefits. It helps get rid of toxins, improve your immune system, and burn fat. Garlic is an edible plant which belongs to the onion family and is used around the world for its many health benefits. It has been used for centuries in treating a wide variety of ailments, and its ability to detoxify the body is not lost on people. Garlic can be taken in supplement form, or it can be eaten raw or cooked and added to a healthy selection of food. Garlic contains a wide range of nutrients, which provides many health benefits, from lowering cancer risk to preventing other diseases. In medieval times, garlic was thought to ward off vampires, which led people to believe that it had mystical healing qualities. However, in reality, garlic is rich in antioxidants and can be an important part of a healthy diet. There are numerous health benefits of drinking garlic water every day. And we are going to talk about 10 of such benefits in this video. First, we will introduce the benefits of garlic water and talk about the different ways in which garlic water can be beneficial for your health, including weight loss and immunity boosting. Secondly, we will discuss how to prepare garlic water for consumption. And finally, we will end by showing you an easy way to incorporate it into your daily routine. The 10 health benefits of drinking garlic water on a daily basis are as follows. If you find this video beneficial, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Number 1. Garlic water helps get rid of toxins in the body. And it makes this happen by thoroughly cleansing the liver. Garlic has been found to contain an antibiotic that can help fight bacterial infections, and also has antifungal properties that can help with yeast overgrowth. This is because it contains allicin, which is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory in nature. Number 2. Garlic can help burn fat in your body and help you lose weight in a controlled and natural way. It is able to reduce fat in the body by speeding up metabolism when consumed raw or cooked in food. And it has also been shown to reduce fat in different parts of the body, including the abdomen and thighs, by reducing the number of fatty cells in these areas. Number 3. Garlic water is rich in antioxidants. This helps lower your risk of developing cancer and heart disease, and also prevents Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. However, garlic is not only rich in antioxidants, it also contains allicin, which provides antifungal and antibacterial benefits. Number 4. Garlic water is also high in manganese. This is an essential mineral for building strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Number 5. Garlic water has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps protect the gut by reducing inflammation that can lead to stomach ulcers or Crohn's disease, among other conditions. Number 6. Garlic water also has anti-clotting properties. This can help prevent blood sugar swings that can lead to type 2 diabetes and associated risks like kidney problems and nerve damage throughout the body. Like, share, subscribe, and smash the notification bell icon. Number 7. Garlic water helps boost your energy levels. It can also help in lowering your cholesterol levels. It has often been said that the best way to lose weight is by drinking a glass of water with a clove of garlic in it. The body needs fluids to function properly, and when the powerful nutrients in garlic are in liquid form, they are easier for the body to absorb and turn into energy. Number 8. Garlic water promotes healthy skin and hair. Studies have shown that garlic water can promote healthy skin and hair through its high vitamin content. Garlic is rich in vitamin C, B6, selenium, manganese, sulfur, phosphorus and vitamin A. They all join forces to give garlic its enormous power. This wealth of nutrients gives it the ability to fight against free radicals that are responsible for hair loss and aging skin. Number 9. Garlic water boosts the immune system. Garlic water is a natural and potent source of dietary antioxidants and other nutrients, all of which can help the body fight off many types of cancer, reduce cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and strengthen the immune system. Number 10. Garlic improves digestion and prevents constipation. Drinking garlic water can help you metabolize food more efficiently, thereby helping to improve your digestion and stop you getting constipated. It also has the added benefit of removing all types of toxins from the body. Garlic water preparation. It is very easy to make garlic water. Almost too easy, in fact. Simply boil some water, chop up or grate a few cloves of garlic, and soak it in the water for 10 minutes or more. Then, strain the liquid through a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and drink. An even simpler way of making garlic water is to chop up 1 or more cloves, add it to your glass of water, and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes, or more, before drinking it. It is more or less like making cold tea, really. The juice and paste of garlic is believed to help eliminate toxins from the body. And drinking it before bedtime is believed to help reduce nighttime respiratory problems, among other things. Garlic water has so many incredible health benefits, as you have learned so far in this video. So next time you drink water, simply add a clove of garlic, and in a short period of time, you will be able to reap the benefits it has to offer. Thanks for watching.